Happy Wednesday to you. I want to go over a couple things. Number one, this graphic behind me I posted on my Portland weather Facebook page. So it's a reminder, if you go to Facebook and just search Portland weather, you'll see my page with my logo pop up with the cloud and the check mark and the raindrops. And it's also a good spot to check for things that you may not be able to find on the actual weather site, portlandweather.com. So this graphic right here. So the areas in red: Longview, down I-5 Eugene, out through the Gorge to the Dalles, Pendleton, Kennewick, Central Oregon, down through Madison Bend. Weather Service has popped up an excessive heat watch. This starts Thursday and goes Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now overall, this doesn't look that bad. It just looks to be good old-fashioned hot. Nothing like we saw back in June. The peak of the heat looks to be Friday. And for Portland and Salem and Vancouver, that'll be the day where I think some of us will, in fact, hit 100 degrees. And then when you get over into Central Oregon, Madras, and maybe out toward Pendleton, there could be some 102s, 104, at most maybe a 105. And then it's not as hot Saturday, and by Sunday we're cooler than that. So that's what we're dealing with there. So that's obviously a big story that I wanted to update you on. You know, I will also, let me get out of this. How am I going to get out of this? Let's close out of that. And actually, let me go ahead and bring up my my 7-day forecast. I'll also post my 7-day on that Facebook page occasionally as well. So here are the numbers that we're looking at. So again, today 90. I've included a chance of a shower. I looked at the weather pattern. I thought maybe there could be a shower here on the west side of the state today. There was in fact some rain down around Roseburg that made it up to almost Corvallis area this morning. Later today we might see a spotty shower somewhere in the region. Slight chance. Most of us stay dry. 90, humidity factors this afternoon about 34%. So that's considered humid for us. Similar day tomorrow. And then comes that 100 degrees, mostly sunny day on Friday. And the other big headline I have is this one. Saturday overnight, at least I think two of the forecast models, in fact, show a low pressure system kind of migrating from south to north up into our area. Current timing would develop a thunderstorm chance mainly Saturday evening into the overnight. And then depending on the timing of all that, there could still be some leftover showers Sunday morning. So if we could get some rain, it would be in scattered areas. Not all of us would get it. But if we could get a decent thunderstorm or shower outbreak Saturday night into early Sunday morning, that would be our first measurable rainfall here in the Rose City since mid-June. So that would be huge. And then I mentioned we cooled down after that. So Sunday, because of cloud cover, 83, and then back into the mid to upper 80s, let's say on Monday and Tuesday of next week. So those are really the things that I wanted to tell you about. And one other thing I want to remind you about. So if we get some lightning, if you hear some thunder, if you hear thunder, you know there's lightning. They go together, right? If you go to the homepage on the desktop site, and if you scroll all the way down, one of the things I added, a couple of things I've added. Number one, this rain model forecast. So in green, you can stop this. It shows, let me back it up. It's going to show right there, not much, but a rain chance in the southern Cascades. This is actually Friday morning. So we added that animation. And then if you go to the satellite imagery page, okay. So that animation I just showed you is pretty close to what we call the Futurecast on KGW TV. So it's a good tool. And then if you scroll all the way down to the bottom of my images, I hope you use these. Right here, we added this lightning detection just a couple months ago. All these X's are lightning. So right now, there's active lightning in Idaho, over into Wyoming. There's a strike down south of Reno, Nevada. So that would confirm, and this is real time, that there would be lightning in our area. All of that is available on the imagery page on the app. So that's a good tool I wanted to make sure you know is on this weather site. All right. Well, stay cool, as the old saying goes. I'll talk to you soon.